Hello, my people. Today we see how sending money to Ghana with Lemphi. First, see the homepage, the Lemphi. Looking for the fastest way to send money to Ghana. Let me show you how to do it with Lemphi. Tap on send. First, download this app in your phone, right? Next, tap in your send and select Ghana as your destination. Where? Ghana. You will see the real-time exchange rate right there. Enter the amount you want to send, for example, $200, right? The best part, Lemphi offers zero transaction fees, so more money gets home. Choose your delivery method, like mobile money or bank transfer, and enter your recipient's details. Double check everything. Review the summary, hit confirm, and you are done. The money is on its way instantly. It's that simple, safe, fast, and zero fees. Download Lemphi today and start sending. You show this process here. Wait. You enter, send money, and complete the process. Alright. This is all for this video. Give me your like and subscribe, please.